Good day, Fias. Here you meet me again, Mr. Sesan Adewusi, Tantolorun, Baba Oloyin gan, Baba Oloyin original. Yes, I told you another book will be released in October. By the special grace of God, October ending, the year 2020, another book will be released to the market. African Power. Yes, African Power. You see, if you have been following me on Baba Oloyin Original Television, I told you about Nidu, abẹ́rẹ́ ọkọjá lọ kọ́nà okùn kó tó dí o. Abẹ́rẹ́ akọjá lọ kọ́nà okùn kó tó dí o. The needle will pass through. The needle, this is a needle. Yes, it's one of the tailoring materials. You use it for cloth. It will pass through before thread get difficult of passing through. Yes. I told you, if you have been following me, you watch my last video on the Baba Oloyin Original Television. I told you about excess, empty excess. Ọ̀nà kìdíkádé ẹ̀mọ́dé bí abẹ́. There's no matter how tough it is. A bird, a local fowl that is on incubating, that is on brooding, will find its way to the incubating center. Ọ̀nà kìdíkádé ẹ̀mọ́dé bí abẹ́. No matter how. How is in this book, you will see how you can use that excess. It is in this book, African Power, Agbára Èèyàn Dúdú. Orange peas. When you drink orange finish, you normally throw the piece away. If you know its usefulness, you will not throw it away again. Because igbó lọ̀sán wà, tọmọráyé ńlá náà ló bá. Yes, orange trees normally stay in the bush. It is human beings that will labor themselves to find it. Ayọ́lá náà wà bẹ́ẹ̀. Those people that are being appointed by for ambassadors, ministers, all these DG, Director General, some of them, they don't belong to any political party. They will just unpick them. Your luck will shine, they will find you. Yes. You will just hear the name of some people. They will appoint them as ministers, as ambassadors. They don't belong to any political party. They will sit down in the house, but people will just remember them. This man, he was formerly my schoolmate. He was formerly my school teacher. He was formerly my house boy when we were in the school. I happened to be my school father, or I happened to be a school father to that boy. They will locate you. Yes. They will locate you. So when you buy this book, African Power, yes, by the special grace of God, it will be out on October ending. Yes, October ending, October 31st, the year 2020, by special grace of God. October 31st, this book will be in the market. You can get it online. Those of you that normally get it online, those of you that have already bought our books, some people are paying for it. I thank God. Some people are paying, and we are taking note of your name and your phone numbers. So when the book is released online, then we send the book to you on your email or Gmail as usual. You can get it on email or Gmail or WhatsApp. I am doing all these things because when this book is released, you will be surprised. Yes, with what we put inside. This is a spiritual book. It's a spiritual. Some people don't want me to release this book. Some people, they came to my house, Baba, don't release this thing. I said, well, with the special grace of God, I want to release this book for the benefit of those who are not in Nigeria. They are suffering. This is African Power book for you. You can do it by yourself. Some people, they were begging me, this book, what do you say? Are you going to put it as, this is what will be there? They said you will mention something like this on your YouTube. It's too much. I said, look, I want to help those who are not in Nigeria. Some people, they don't have mother, they don't know, they don't have mother, they don't have father who can run about for them, and they are suffering. Ẹlòmíì kan rún pa nílùú òyìnbó ni. Kò sí ìyá kò sí bàbá tó lè bá sáré kí. Òun ó lè sáré. Iṣẹ́ tó yẹ kó o máa ṣe kí wọ́n máa appreciate ẹ, kí wọ́n fún ẹ lówó, wọn ò fún ẹ lówó, ọkàn jìyà. Ọlọ́mọ ṣe wá ló níyà. Àṣà Gbénga Adébóyè ni, ó ní ò lẹ́yọ̀nú, ò lánàsáré, ò lókìgbẹ́, ò láyẹta. Ó ní kí ló wá ń ṣe lÉkòó. Yes, you're in foreign country, you don't have anything in your body. O ní ṣàánú, o lẹ́yọ̀nú la, o ní fẹ́ràn. O wá ń ṣiṣẹ́ ń sìn wọ́n lọ́hùn. This is the book for you. Iṣẹ́ tó wà ń bẹ̀ pọ̀. Yes, ó pọ̀. Gbogbo aṣọ kọ́lá ń sá lórùn. Just watch me in my new book. This is the book, African Power. Yes. This is just the sample copy. When it is finally released, you will like it. You will enjoy it. Iṣẹ́ tó wà ń bẹ̀ pọ̀ gan ni o. Yes. When you see this book, you open it, you will see many things inside. Before I go today, I want to teach you something. I want to tell you something. Do you know why some people are hating you? Some people, they don't know. Yes, some people hate you. When we were young, our fathers and our mothers, they used to tell us that when you cut your fingernails, don't put it on the ground. If they happen to match it, those who match your fingernails or leg nails, they will hate you. You also will hate them. Ẹ̀yin tẹ́lẹ̀ mọ́ rí èékánná káàkiri ilẹ̀. Ẹ̀yin ológede. When you cut your fingernails or leg nails, you just put it around like this. If your husband step on it, the husband will hate you. Yes. When we were young. And this is another secret I'm telling you. This is not in the book, oh, because some people will call me, and I don't see that of fingernails in your book. It's not in the book. I'm just giving you that one today, free. When you cut your fingernails or leg nails, go and put it away. Go and throw it away in the dustbin. Throw it away. Don't just put it on the ground like this. Hello? Some people, they are cutting fingernails. They will stand up. This service is bad. They will still go outside. That fingernails, if somebody match it, that person will hate you. You also will hate the person. Ara àṣírí nìyẹn. Àṣírí nìyẹn o. Wọ́n ń gbọ́ pé bá ń gbọ́ ní kùkù. Ó ní mọ ibi tó ti ṣe wá. Yes. Your husband that used to say, my darling, my sweetie, you don't stop saying it. Yes, because something else has happened. When you cut your fingernails, you just put it on the ground like this. We have been used to it. We have been warned against it. So I'm just giving you that one. Don't forget the book will be released in October. Don't forget those of you looking for healing power for only as a medicine. Yes, this is only as a medicine. It's still on PDF. You want to buy it? Come to Baba Oloyin bus stop, Iyesota. Baba Oloyin bus stop, Iyesota. This one as a medicine is on PDF. We can send it to you on your phone, on your email, or WhatsApp, or Gmail. You can ask for it. We have original honey also. That if you want to buy honey, you can come to us. Yes. The price of this book. Yes. We won't tell you the price now. But later, I just want to tell you that this is more expensive than all my other books. It's expensive. It's expensive. But because what you will see there, nobody will leak the secret for you as well. Till next time when you meet me again, don't forget to WhatsApp me or call me 08054749455. You will see at the bottom of this thing. Don't forget to watch my other channel, Baba Oloyin Original Television. Baba Oloyin Original Television. Watch it. You will see many other things there. This is sister station, Kenny Show Television. Kenny Show. Those of you that are giving me money, I will not stop thanking you. Because most of the time, Some people will just say, Baba, send me account number. Send me account number. Even when all these crises are in the town, many people are calling me, Baba, I will hear what is happening in Nigeria. Where God will help us settle the matter. Baba, I think your account is with me. Your account number is with me. They will send money to me. Some are still requesting for the account number, that I know how the country will be, how the situation will be, how the market will be for you. I said, well, thank you. That is why I don't relent in releasing the book. Till next time when you meet me again, stay blessed.